Welcome guys to a brand new Excel video. In the previous video, I have told you how you can use ChatGPT for Excel. That is the part 1. Now I'll show you the part 2 and other cool features of the ChatGPT function. Now you will need this spreadsheet AI tool, this ChatGPT for Excel. And in the previous video, I've told you how you can download this. This is basically an add-on, and you can go to insert and get add-ins here and write ChatGPT, and you will get the ChatGPT for Excel here. Now I'll show you the first function, that is AI.extract. Now in Excel, you know the function that is flash fill, right? Where you can write the names and like first name and last name, and if you write the only one and if you drag down, it will Excel will automatically get the names. But that is when the format is same. But here we have the different kind of formats. So that flash fill function will not work here. Here we'll use the AI.extract. I'll show you how you can use that. Equals to AI.extract. Now, this is basically asking for the values. The value is this is our whole text, right? And if we put comma, and what do we need to extract? That is names. And if we put parentheses and hit enter, it's showing us busy. And there you go. Chan Kundu, Chris Jericho, Jessica Lee, Bruce Lee, Mike Nesson. So basically, you will get the full names here, even if the format is like not identical. So the flash fill function will not work, but the Excel AI function, the Excel AI.extract function will work here. Now for the second function, I'll use the AI.translate. This is, you can also use Google Translate, but here it will save a bit of time, I think. So this is the text. Hi, my name is Shan Kundu. I love making videos on YouTube and reels on Instagram and Facebook. I love playing Dota 2 and Pokemon. So I want to change this to Japanese, right? So I'll use AI dot translate. It's basically asking for the text. I'll use and close the parentheses here. I'm sorry. AI dot translate. It is asking for the text and asking for the target language, that is Japanese. We close the bracket. It is showing busy. See, it converted into Japanese. Now we can use some like data validation here and make a different kind of like list where we can use Japanese, French, maybe Spanish, Bengali, right? Now, if I change to French, should give us the French, yeah. And if I use Spanish, yeah, there's the Spanish, and finally the Bengali, yeah, right? Now for the final function, I'll use the AI.table. This is quite similar to AI.ask, but in this function, it will create a table. So here we want a list of 10 biggest countries in the world by population. And what should be the output here? Equals to AI.table. And the prompt is basically this. We don't need any header or source here. It will automatically fetch. Let's just wait, see. Rank, country, population, area, and density. And by looks of it, it is like quite accurate here. So you can basically create any kind of table using the AI.table function, right? So that's it for the video. If you like my content, do subscribe to my channel and like my videos. It really helps me out a lot. I'll end my video with a quote. Just do your best and leave to God all the rest. Thank you. Bye, guys.